Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Subnautica 2 multiplayer not working. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in CMD, click run as admin. Yes. And now type the following commands: ipconfig space /release. And after that is done, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Now type in ipconfig space renew. Now type in netsh space int space IP reset. And now type in netsh space winsock space reset. And also what you can try is type in ping 1.1.1.1 and let it go through it, and it says the average. And now go ping space 8.8.8.8, and whichever is like lower average, you want to use that one as your primary DNS server. So to change it, I have the 1.1 as lower. You go to search, type in network, view network connections, open Ethernet, go to properties, go to internet version 4, and click here. Use the following DNS, and then you type in this 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. And if the 8.8.8 is better, you can type here 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Okay, after you've done all of that, you can restart your PC and the game should work properly. Also, make sure that if you're using Wi-Fi, that your connection is stable. Do a speed test, do a ping test, do a jitter test. If you have like a high ping spikes or packet loss, do packet loss test. If you have any of those, it's probably your ISP or like a bad Wi-Fi router. If you're using a router, if you're using a cable, then it's probably maybe on your ISP side. So by contacting them, and then hopefully they should resolve your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Subnautica 2 multiplayer networking. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.